All right, we're up here on the
Schnebly Hill Road.
Schnebly Hill Road.
Just northeast of Sedona.
So we're up here on Schnebly Hill Road. We're trying to find a good campsite. A little bit off the beaten path. You know, same as our usual routine. So we're gonna have to go a little deeper, find some more accessible roads, and you know, set up our rooftop tent. There you go, Mike. Hold on, Mike. That wasn't very dramatic. There you go. It's my way, my way. Just like a beat. Just rolling. Plowing right through. So you rock hard. Stop, Rachel. Easy. Easy. Ford Expedition. Automatic 4-wheel drive. He said it. He was extremely impressed. Extremely impressed.
Come over here. Come over here.
Hey, get that. You have what is this right here? Level feet?
Powerful.
forgot the meat at home for sloppy joes. So we did like redneck grilled cheese, I guess you can call it. We got some hamburger buns with cheese and ham and bacon. And some zucchini.
Yummy.
Looks so good.
I hope I wasn't standing in the way. The camera didn't get it. See if you could catch that. I'm sure it did.
He was so excited for that.
Oh my god.
Everybody, welcome. Welcome to the Kingdom Overlanding. We are new at this, completely new. We have no idea where to place the camera. Sun here, people. We're good. Long weekend, a lot of kids screaming, parents on edge.
You're recording?
Oh, we're comfortable. Oh, we're doing great.
Absolutely.
It's our first time out with the rooftop tent, so you know what? Mistakes are gonna happen.
I love you too.
But honestly, it's functional. It's set up. We're on some decent level ground thanks to Mike's expertise with that. yeah, so we kind of just got set up, broke out the new tent with our truck, and then Mike's testing out his drawer system with his Camp Chef. So, you know, just getting our feelers out, getting comfortable with our new stuff, and make corrections for next time.
Oh, just got a few things to tweak here and there.
Right.
You know, this is your first time taking out in a tent, first time sleeping in a rooftop tent.
Right.
All that fun stuff.
Right.
Baby's got to get used to it.
Oh yeah, a little screamer.
All the kids. That's gonna be an adventure.
The puppy did better.
Yes.
No puppy accidents.
In the actual sleeping area.
Yeah.
Yeah, the kids are gonna be a wild card. We're gonna have to keep working that element because we got four kids under the age of 7 with one more coming up. That's gonna be a newborn. You know, so we got some major wild cards to figure out. All the little trails and campsites right on Schnebly Hill was super crazy packed, so we didn't want to do that. So we ended up coming down 153A.
Forest Road, yeah.
Yeah, 153A.
Forest Road Trail.
Forest Road Trail, definitely only for high clearance 4-wheel drive vehicles. Some good washes and rocks to crawl through, but
We had a friend with a Jeep that had some low clearance, so they couldn't get back to where we could go.
Yep. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So yeah, we're on this little Jeep trail or little quad trail, and there's been maybe less than a dozen vehicles come by. So that was our main goal with our setups, is to get. And you've always done this over the years. It's just me and Cassie with our rig. We're kind of dipping our toes into that. So
yeah, a little more off the harder the trail, less beaten path, the less people you're gonna see. You know, so you're not gonna have razors and dirt bikes and everyone just flying up and down roads.
It wasn't dusty all night.
Yeah, we're not gonna eat dust. We're gonna sit in comfort and relax. Let the dogs run free. Let the girls run free. First night.
yeah,
First overnight trip on
Yeah.
the tent. Put it in last week. Put it on last weekend.
last weekend we put it on.
Slept in the driveway one night.
Slept in the driveway one night. We've got the 23Zero Walkabout72. It's got the LST light suppressing technology, so it is pitch dark in that tent. You can't see nothing. Even right now, I need a flashlight to zip it back up. We had just the mattress, the 4-inch. Is it a 4-inch foam?
I think so.
I think it's a 4-inch memory foam mattress that it comes with, and then we also added an additional negative 10-degree sleeping bag, and that was perfect. Did not get cold at all. I slept great. I know Scarlett slept with us, our baby, and she ended up being on my neck. I couldn't breathe, so that was a nice little wake up.
But Dad,
her head is heavy. Her head is heavy. I'll tell you that.
With her feet in my face.
Yeah.
I was comfy though.
You were comfy, huh?
So
Sky?
next trip, we're doing all the girls downstairs. No kids in the upper floor. Yeah, we'll keep adding things to it. Mike's got some great setups in his tent with lighting and pouches and pockets, so constantly improving.
Air mattresses.
Yep, air mattresses.
Air mattresses.
Yep.
Good night quality of sleep is key to any camping. If you can't sleep good at night, then there's no point going camping.
Exactly.
I like my sleep.
Right. Especially if we're gonna be out there hiking and rucking and
what are you doing?
Playing in the water.
eventually doing some hunting. You know, when you come back to camp, you want to get some rest.
Yep.
All right, we're out. We'll see you next weekend.